Jambo, an amazing experience here in the Maasai Mara with the Maasai people. Fantastic to be here and a real authentic experience, what we've been wanting, and you know, a great adventure lies ahead. Everyone has been a great help, and everyone's so attentive and blessed us with being here.
Like an angel in the morning, shooting star across the night, the most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life. Every moment spent with you is like a day that starts brand new. Girl, I'm so amazed at all the things you do. Ay, so I wanna spend my whole life around you. Girl, I promise you forever and forever. Girl, you are my sunshine, baby, don't you go away. Ìyàwó mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi aláyọ̀ mi, I will love you forever.
Hi, just had the most amazing time. We've had a ceremony, we're now married. I've never experienced anything like that before, that was amazing. And yeah, I can't wait for the rest of the day. I'll get my other dress on, but I love this. And yeah, I can't wait to see what the rest of it brings. I've already seen lots of animals on the way in. And yeah, we're now married, which is amazing. And yeah, can't wait for the rest of the day. Asante sana to the Maasai people. I, Olivia.
I, Rory, promise to take Olivia
To marry Rory.
as my bridal wife. I promise to stay with her in times of difficulties
Happiness.
and sickness, forever and ever. We're now religiously married, and then moving on to the rest parts of the day. Hoping to jump a little bit higher. But yeah, no, it's amazing to be here in Kenya and in the Maasai Mara, and you know, amazing life ahead with my wife Olivia.
Shooting star across the night, the most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life. Every moment spent with you is like a day that starts brand new.